Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Clubhouse. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Clubhouse and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop. Search about Clubhouse, then you can go to this app. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK, and here you'll enter to storage, and after that you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.